The system has been built with a specific flow so that information can be passed along from one record to another, culminating in the transaction record. Users form the backbone of the system, and they are responsible for creating all the data in the CRM. On the client side, companies and contacts are added, and leads are created from contacts. Leads are an expression of interest from a contact to either buy or rent a property. For the Developer CRM on the property side, projects are added and the properties are added to those projects. Listings can then be created from properties. A listing is an instance of a property for sale or for rent. For the Agency CRM on the property side, projects and listings are added. Offers can then be created from one lead and one listing, which in turn leads to the creation of a transaction or be cancelled. It is important to keep records of all offers made, even those that do not conclude into a transaction, as this is valuable feedback for brokers and property owners. Internal broker and payment records can be created from transactions. All of the data in the system feeds into the automated reporting sections, giving valuable insight into all aspects of the business.